Okay, welcome. This is LetsRollQ. What I'm gonna do is show you how to install this. This is a pin lock for the helmet right here. It's an LS2. This I ordered through Amazon. This is how it comes. So we'll open that. We'll get this out. We got this right here. Okay, there you go. So this says it says pin lock max. That's what it says. So we're gonna get this out of here. We'll open the bottom. Okay, now we have this part. We open it, and the front is the shield, which is protected already by a blue shield plastic cover. I'll put this right down here for now. Inside you have the instructions. They come in 4 languages. The only ones that I can understand is Spanish, Italian, and French. Sorry. So first, the instruction says you have to remove the. So I finally figured out to remove the helmet. Sorry, the visor from the helmet, the LS2. What you have to do is pull it back. And the side right here, you're gonna have some. It's like it goes in the groove. This little plastic thing right here. So you have to pull it all the way up and pull it out in both sides at the same time. So you have to find the side. There you go. Sorry, so it went all down. You have to find the side right here to pull this out. See that right there? In both sides. But you get it all the way, and then you get it all the way back, and it will come out. So move the visor until that little pin that is inside plastic goes in here. Get it out of there on both sides. After you do that, you pull that thing all the way up, and it's gonna come out right there. It comes out by itself. So that's removing the visor. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to clean it with alcohol. So let me clean that pretty quick with alcohol, and then I'll continue the video. Okay, so I'm back. So after I was cleaning because it was a little dirty in there. So we got this guy right here. Let's see what it says. Install the Pinlock lens with silicone beading contacting the inside of shield. Remove protective film before use. So I have to remove the protective film. So apparently it's in one side only. So let's see. So I'll put it this way. Yeah, so I'll put it in first, and then we'll remove the film. All right, so let's see how this is gonna go. So hopefully fits in there. All right, so I'm putting it in, hoping for the best. All right, goes right there. I will remove the film. All right, trying to find. I think I got it. Feels good, eh? So there you go. That is the protective film to prevent fog on the visor. I got a little bit of blue. There you go. Okay, so now it's clean. So it has a little like a rubber contact. So that seals the visor protecting the shield thingy. So it has like a feel, like a soft rubber seal that goes all around it in the inside, facing that way, right? So that's what seals this right here, and then hopefully that's gonna prevent the fogging right there. So now I just have to make sure it's clean. So there you go. It took me nothing, and then we're gonna put it back in. So we, and both sides at the same time. Feel the clicking. There you go. Now I'm trying to move it forward, and it should go on both sides. Hold on. It not went on this side. There you go. Go forward a little bit, and it's done. There you go. That's with the shield. So this is a clear shield. What I want to get a shield in a different color here. So we'll figure out that later. But there you go. That's how you do the shield. And like I said again, this is called Pinlock. Pinlock Max for the helmet, which is the LS2. There you go. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe so I can show you more stuff if you want to learn more things. I like teaching and learning myself. If I learn, then I teach. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. LetsRollQ.